Okay, welcome to another episode. Here we go. What are some good reasons for backing in? This is one of them. It might be a pain in the ass, especially in this situation, but it's always easier to pull forward. At least you have a little bit more visibility, so you can avoid situations like this, which can potentially lead to, more serious circumstances. That's a close call, man. You're playing with death. Good job on that guy yielding. There's no left turn here. Obviously, this guy doesn't think so. No, going straight. And yeah, we were almost running a red light there too, so that's why you don't follow the car in front of you. Yeah, that is a close call, man. Turning right at a green light while we're stopping, while we're slowing down. This makes no sense. Still, and now turning on the yellow. Ay, 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 people. You think this guy's going to stop at the stop sign? And also look where the stop sign is in this video. It's on the green pole. And of course, this guy didn't stop, just zooming by. And in this next video, now they've moved the stop sign to its own pole, finally. Because a lot of people have failed. And of course, the cyclist did not stop either. A lot of people used to fail in this intersection because of that stop sign was on that green pole and it wasn't really clearly visible. So I guess enough people complained and they moved the stop sign. Stay in your lane, folks. And I understand sometimes these large city vehicles can do these things. But in this case, this doesn't really make a lot of sense. The other lane is also fairly clear, the bus lane. So, there are cars parked there, obviously, but there's enough clearance, is what I'm saying. He didn't really have to stay on my side that much. When you're making a lane change, you got to pay attention. I'm not just going to dead stop just to let you in. So be a little bit more respectful and mindful. Check your blind spots, okay? If you're going to signal, you can't just go in because you signal. That doesn't work, okay? Just like here, it doesn't work. Or it shouldn't work. Sometimes you just have to bite the bullet and let people in over solid white lines. Alberta. This could be a Benny Hill moment. If you don't know, look up Benny Hill. With some carnival music playing in the background. Oh, no, yeah, gonna come around, go to the other side. Got nice automatic doors. Hop right back in. Business is finished. Proceed with your day. Dick moves. If you're going to turn to the wrong lane, at least speed up and create some space and distance between the other vehicle if you cut someone off. A crash there on your left side. This intersection has seen quite a few. Turning right from the left lane, cutting off a bunch of cars to get into this ice rink parking lot here. Again, dick moves. Don't do that. Don't drive like that. It's very irresponsible. Hidden stop signs right behind that tree there. Boom. Look for the stop lines on the ground. And if you see a stop sign across the street and it's a four-way intersection, obviously there's going to be a stop sign facing you, probably. So look out for the popo. The fuzz is out there, even uphill. They'll catch you speeding. If you get caught slipping, you get the slip. almost gets into an accident there. Beautiful white Mazda Speed. That truck was just not paying attention and almost clipped the other vehicle. If you're going to enter the intersection, you should try to exit at all costs, unless it's just impossible. But in this case, it's quite idiotic to be in the intersection for this long. I mean, obviously at this point you have pretty much no option if you fail to clear already, but a very precarious spot to put yourself in. Get the green arrow, things work out, but you should have cleared the intersection a long time ago. If you both turning right and left at the same time, be careful, because if the other car turns to my lane or vice versa, things can go wrong, right? So you should always turn behind the other car or vice versa. Give yourself some space. Now, because this vehicle is slightly tilted, perhaps the blinker fluid has not kicked in yet. I mean, come on. What are we doing, people? Signal when you are pulling in, pulling out. How the hell do I know what are you doing? Same thing here. I don't know where you're going. I don't know where you live. Use your signals. It's there for a reason. Pulling over, again, without a signal. Ay, 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 caramba. Sometimes when you're turning on the green arrow, you still have to look out for things that may appear in a very unusual location or position, like a pedestrian hanging out on the median in the middle of the intersection, getting caught. What's happening, man? Should have given him a high five. I actually had this intersection in my last video. I think I'm gonna make a compilation just of this intersection alone. It's just honestly become a routine pain in the ass. And of course, this is now the second cycle of green lights, right? So I've already missed one. And what's happening here? Okay. It might be a construction zone, but obviously I don't want to stay in the middle of the train tracks, so there's nothing happening. There's no traffic control personnel. I see these cars are going this way, but that's where they're supposed to be going. So why is this truck not moving? Okay, now he's moving to the left side. It's quite strange. What the f is happening? Just going around. Leave him in the dust. That's it. That's all. See you folks next time.